North Korea said Sunday its latest intercontinental ballistic missile test was meant to further bolster its fatal nuclear attack capacity and threatened additional powerful steps over upcoming military drills between the United States and South Korea. The United States responded by flying long-range supersonic bombers in a show of force later Sunday for separate joint exercises with South Korean and Japanese warplanes. Saturday's ICBM test, the North's first missile test since January 1, signals its leader Kim Jong-un is using his rival's drills as a chance to expand his country's nuclear arsenal to get the upper hand in future dealings with the United States. An expert says North Korea may seek to hold regular operational exercises involving its ICBMs. North Korea's official Korean Central News Agency said its launch of the Hwasong-15 ICBM was organized suddenly, without prior notice, at Kim's direct order. KCNA said the launch was designed to verify the weapon's reliability and the combat readiness of the country's nuclear force. It said the missile was fired at a high angle and reached a maximum altitude of about 3,585 miles, flying a distance of about 615 miles for 67 minutes before accurately hitting a preset area in the waters between the Korean peninsula and Japan. The steep-angle launch was apparently to avoid neighboring countries. The flight details reported by North Korea, which roughly matched the launch information previously assessed by its neighbors, show the weapon is theoretically capable of reaching the mainland U.S. if fired at a standard trajectory. The Hwasong-15 launch demonstrated the North's powerful physical nuclear deterrent and its efforts to turn its capacity of fatal nuclear counterattack on the hostile forces into an extremely strong one that cannot be countered, KCNA said. Later Sunday, U.S. B-1B bombers and other aircraft separately trained with South Korean and Japanese fighter jets over and near the Korean peninsula. A South Korean military statement said Sunday's training reaffirmed Washington's ironclad security commitment to South Korea. North Korea is sensitive to the deployment of U.S. B-1B bombers, which are capable of carrying a huge payload of conventional weapons. The North's launch came a day after it vowed an unprecedentedly strong response over a series of military drills that Seoul and Washington plan in coming weeks. In a statement Sunday, Kim Yo-jong, the influential sister of Kim Jong-un, accused South Korea and the U.S. of openly showing their dangerous greed and attempt to gain the military upper hand and predominant position in the Korean peninsula.